As technology, machinery, and methods have steadily improved over time, the size and scope of what builders can create have rapidly accelerated. There are unique hurdles that mega projects involve, from governmental red tape to public criticism, to the construction project management challenges that accompany such a massive undertaking. So in this video, we are going to tell you about these are the world's greatest projects. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Jubail 2, Saudi Arabia. Jubail 2 is a 22-year-long project which, 3 decades ago, promised to raise an industrial city from the desert sands. The second phase of the Jubail development, the largest civil engineering project in the world, kicked off in 2014 with an expansion budget of $11 billion. Once the project is completed, Jubail will comprise at least 100 industrial plants, an 800,000 cubic meter desalination plant, more than 530 miles of railway and road, alongside a 350,000 barrel a day oil refinery. The project should be wrapped up in 2024, with over 50,000 residential units being added to the industry city by 2026. Intel Semiconductor Project, 2 factories. The previous section about the semiconductor plant in Texas was not enough foreshadowing. There is a desperate need for the world to keep up with semiconductor demand. America is well positioned to become a global leader in production with state-of-the-art facilities popping up like weeds. The United States has broken ground and can expect 2 new semiconductor facilities close to Intel's Chandler, Arizona campus. The facility will take 2 years to build and will require around-the-clock work to ensure the deadlines proposed are met. Set to open in 2024, these facilities will bring 3,000 construction jobs and 3,000 Intel employees and create an additional 15,000 indirect jobs in the local communities surrounding Chandler. Plant Vogtle, Units 3 and 4. With the addition of Units 3 and 4, Plant Vogtle, located in Waynesboro, Georgia, will become the largest nuclear plant in the United States. Georgia's massive power plant is actively building 2 new units, which are the first nuclear power units to be built in more than 3 decades in the United States. Vogtle 3 and Vogtle 4 are both AP1000 nuclear power plant designs and will represent 2 of the 6 AP1000 builds worldwide. With more than 7,000 workers on site and more than 800 permanent jobs available once the units begin operating, Vogtle 3 and 4 is currently the largest construction project, jobs producing, in the state of Georgia. The project has also been a major economic development driver for the region during construction. The Big Dig, referred to as America's most ambitious public works project. The Big Dig was a 19-year highway project, largely completed in early 2006. It was designed to relieve traffic congestion and enhance mobility in the Boston area. Apropos of its name, the project required the excavation of approximately 16 million cubic yards of dirt in order to build 161 lanes of the highway, half in tunnels, in a 7.5-mile corridor. Removing that much dirt, which could fill a stadium to the rim 16 times, took more than 541,000 truckloads, much of which went to landfills. While dirt was being removed, concrete was placed, over 3.8 million cubic yards of it, or enough to build a sidewalk 3 feet wide and 4 inches thick that would run between Boston to San Francisco 3 times. Beijing Airport, China. Beijing International Airport will eventually surpass Dubai's Al Maktoum International Airport in cost, total square miles, and passenger and plane capacity. The airport's first phase was completed in time for the 2008 Olympiad. Further expansion is scheduled for completion by 2025. Terminal 1, designed by the architect Zaha Hadid, incorporates a number of sustainable design concepts in a futuristic building envelope. Great Man-Made River Project, Libya. Libya has been working on the Great Man-Made River, GMR project since 1985. It is the largest irrigation project in the world. When completed, it will irrigate more than 350,000 acres of arable land and will substantially increase available drinking water in most of Libya's urban centers. The water source for the project is the underground Nubian sandstone aquifer system. The project is scheduled for completion in 2030. Around the world, Gigantic engineering and infrastructure projects are opening up or are closing in on their completion. Nowadays, there's lots of construction going on in different parts of the world. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.